Okay, so I'm going to show you the rotation into high bridge and also the flip dog. Two very, very similar movements, both drawing upon the same principles of creating a rotation of the hand to enter into a bridge. Okay, so first off, we've got to know a couple of anatomical things. This bone here is called the pisiform. Now this is going to be our main point of contact for our rotating hand. By placing the pisiform down, we have a strong wrist position and one which can rotate. If we place the whole hand down, we're stuck, we can't rotate. We need to be able to rotate this so that we don't crank the shoulder when moving into the high bridge. Okay? I'll demonstrate that in a second. First off though, you're going to start off in a table position, okay? So it could be a low table, high table, doesn't really matter. Point is that you have about hip and a half, maybe even double hip width or shoulder and a half width from foot to hand. So you've got a good bit of distance here, okay? From here, you're going to send the hips up, lift one hand. This hand's going to trace a circle and you follow the circle with your gaze. So watch, watch, watch. As you rotate, you'll run out of shoulder space. So this is where there's a slight bend in the elbow and a rotation of the pisiform on the ground to allow you to reach over, enter your bridge, and then rotate out the other side. So that's how we rotate into our high bridge. Once again, tabletop position, pointing and looking, hips go up to create space, up, up, up with the hips, rotate on the hand, place the other hand, and return. Okay, so driving the hips up high, rotating on the palm, on the pisiform, those are the two main points that will help you with this one. Take it slow, do partial reps if you need to. Now, the flip dog is very similar in that you're also going to be rotating on the wrist, but for this one we start from a downward dog. From here we go to three-legged dog, lifting the leg up really high to the sky, and then over, opening the hip. Now there's a moment here where your body wants to pivot. That begins the motion, and to finish the motion, you'll then rotate on your foot and your wrist. So the flip dog, three-legged dog, place the leg over, rotate on the wrist, and you're back. Once you have high bridge rotation, flip dog will be easy.